So having just traded in my Model 3 for the Model Y, I'm now going back to my video that I did on all the things I wish I knew at the start and making sure I do those with this one too. And one of those is adding a screen protector. So the one I got for my Model 3 myself originally is this one by Spigen, and after I made one of those Model 3 videos, Spigen reached out to me and offered me one, not having realised that I'd already bought one. So I thought for this car I'd take them up on their offer and ask them actually if they would send me the glossy one and the matte one so that I could do a video comparing them side by side, and that's what we're going to do. So I think a lot of people think that the risk of a screen getting damaged in a car is low because obviously you can't drop it, but I think the real risk is actually just through scratching as a result of cleaning it. Even normal use probably isn't going to risk damaging it that much, but when you do come to wipe the fingerprints off, you're then wiping a cloth over it. So if there's a little bit of a speck of dust or hard grit in the cloth or on the screen, you're then pushing quite hard while you're wiping it over the screen, and it's that's the situation that is going to result in it potentially being scratched, which is why the screen protector makes so much sense. So it's really peace of mind, as far as I'm concerned, that these things offer while you're cleaning the screen, and that's not to be underestimated, but they're not without their compromises, and we're going to look at that in this video. So the installation process for this product is really remarkable. It almost seems like this is where all the research and development for this product has gone. Obviously, a piece of tempered glass is just a piece of tempered glass, but what they've created with the installation mechanism here is really remarkable. So the whole process is super simple, and you get this little toolkit included which contains all of the cleaning things that you need to make sure the screen's totally clean before you apply the protector. And that includes a normal cleaning cloth, the alcohol wipes, and these amazing little stickers that you can use to get the dust off the screen. They'll stick to the dust, but they don't leave any residue back on the glass at all. And they're really handy. They're a very effective way of getting dust off the screen. So the process is very clearly shown on the instruction card and starts by peeling off the film, where you grab the little sticker to help you peel the film off the back. And then you basically take the whole thing and you just align it with the screen and put it on. And the plastic housing automatically centers it exactly. And then you just swipe on the space where it's shown, and that will apply the glass protector to the screen. So this is a really elegant solution and a very well designed process, definitely top marks for this. So then it's just a question of peeling the sticker off and lifting the frame away, and you've got your screen protector on the car. And there's the process of removing bubbles as well, because you will almost inevitably, I think, get bubbles here, and that's fine. They've got this little squeegee thing with a special kind of coating on the end so you don't mark your screen protector, and you just work those bubbles away towards the edge and you can just see them moving out. It works absolutely fine and gets rid of them no trouble at all. So there's these two versions, one's a glossy one and one's a matte one. I think the glossy one has kind of got a bit of a problem with it because it actually adds more reflection to the screen than the Tesla screen does have without any protector at all. Obviously the normal car has got an anti-reflective coating, so it gives you that sort of dark purple tinted reflection which takes it right back. When you put the glass protector on, there doesn't seem to be any anti-reflective coating on it, and you get a full, almost mirror-like reflection. That is a bit of a problem with the glossy one, I think. I think what they need to do is add that anti-reflective coating to the glossy one, like you get on your glasses. These ones have got it. There's sort of it's a green or a purple tint, and it just takes the reflection off. It would be great to see that on these big screen protectors. So there's another issue with screen protectors that I'm not sure many people are aware of, and that's that if you're wearing polarizing sunglasses, you get this weird rainbow effect on the screen. And I've always been quite interested in how screens interact with polarizing glasses, because I think it's quite fun to use an iPad sitting in the garden in the sun. And interestingly, with an iPad, it's actually only in its portrait orientation where I can see the screen. I can see it perfectly fine as long as it hasn't got a screen protector on, but if I turn it landscape, it goes black. I can't see it with those polarizers on. So that's quite interesting, and luckily with the Tesla screen in its landscape orientation, without any screen protector on, it works fine with polarizing glasses. But once the screen protector is on, you do get this rainbow effect. So these things are brilliant at removing the chance of scratching your screen, but they're not without their compromises. For me, the choice is definitely the matte one, because that reflection issue on the glossy one is just too significant. And then the polarizing sunglasses issue I'm just going to live with, but of course you may not have polarizing glasses, in which case you don't need to worry about that at all. But I do enjoy using polarizing glasses while driving because it really does cut out the reflection of the dashboard on the inside of your windscreen. So against all the odds, I actually managed to get a bit of dust under the screen protector just as I was applying it. It was definitely clean before I put it on, but it must have just slipped in either as I was peeling the backing film off or something like that. So I thought I would try and lift it up and get my little sticky sticker to take the dust out and put it back down, and that actually does work. I don't know how well it would work if the dust was right near the middle, because obviously you'd having to pry up carefully. Obviously the idea is that you would leave at least most of the protector still stuck so you don't lose that alignment. But certainly for me, with the dust near the edge, that process works fine. You can actually fix a few problems like that when you're applying it. So thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions and I'll try and answer them. Don't forget, please do like, share, comment and subscribe as well. That'll help others find the video and support the channel. Super appreciated. And I'll see you in the next video.